Technology is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace, creating new opportunities and redefining the skills needed for success. Welcome to ACTS C-DAC Bengaluru. At ACTS, learning goes beyond theory. Through expert-led training, hands-on lab sessions, and project-based learning, students gain practical skills that prepare them for the technology-driven world. Our postgraduate certification programs cover some of today's most in-demand domains, including advanced computing, big data analytics, cybersecurity, embedded system design, and artificial intelligence. From developing software applications and intelligent AI-powered solutions to analyzing data, securing digital systems, and building embedded technologies, learners gain valuable experience through real-world projects and practical exposure. Supported by modern classrooms, dedicated labs, and a collaborative learning environment, ACTS empowers students to build technical expertise, innovation, and confidence. Whether your passion lies in software development, artificial intelligence, data analytics, cybersecurity, or embedded technologies, ACTS C-DAC Bengaluru provides the platform to learn, grow, and innovate. ACTS C-DAC Bengaluru, building skills.